Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to remove and add guests from your guest list. So the first thing you have to do, which for you to even do this, you must have created your um, invitation. So to check them out, click on your profile image and click on my invitations. This will bring a page of all the invitations, and then we can actually choose the invitation we want. We can click on this. So once you click on this on the invitation, it brings you to a page where you can actually manage your. Okay, let's click on manage invitation, where we get to see the actual guest list. So for this particular event, we can see there's only one guest, which is the host, me here. So you can also add guests. Once you add your guests and they've responded or replied to your invite, you would see them pop up, like you see them in a list here, and then you can actually add. You can see even this. I get to edit this if I want to. This is the guest name, email, phone number. So if they've changed their email, you can also add or edit it here. Status: yes, no, not replied. If you've sent to all, and if you've sent to 50 and some have replied, you see some with this not reply, while some that is available will say yes, and some others that will not be available would say no. They will also specify the amount of children here, or the kids they are bringing, and the adults that are coming with them. Uh once you're done, okay, you actually can get to do this. So once you're done, click on save, and that's it, guys. So this is how to actually add and edit or remove guests on Evite. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, guys, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel for more information. And if you need any assistance with this, just let me know in the comment section and I will be with you. Thank you very much for your time. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.